Good morning for DL Maths. This is your task for the morning. It's something we've done quite a few times before, but you may need a small reminder. So we are converting between litres and millilitres, and the thing you need to remember is multiplying and dividing by 1000, because 1000 millilitres is equal to 1 litre. So I've given you the first one. So if you've been given the amount in milliliters, you need to divide that by 1000 to get this answer. And if you have got the amount in liters, you need to multiply by 1000 to get here. Now that's not too complicated if you've got the numbers. So remember, multiplying by 1000, you are adding 3 zeros, so plus 3 zeros. Dividing by 1000, you are taking away the zeros. It's a little more complicated when we've got these fractions here. So again, this is something we've done quite a lot, but just to refresh your memory a little. So we've got half and quarters basically, and a little bit there with tenths. Yeah. So remember that when we change those fractions to decimals, we are kind of saying that 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. 1 quarter is 0.25, and you can use that to work out 2 quarters, 3 quarters. Okay, so whatever you've got, if you want to make a decimal from a fraction, divide the number at the bottom by, divide 100 by the number at the bottom, and then it will be 0 point that. Okay. I'm not going to give you any more examples of those. If you don't know how to do the ones with the fractions, save those for your Skype group call, and either me or Miss Batova will show you how to do those together. So you can start by doing the ones with the numbers. If you can do the ones with the fractions, that's great, do it. But if you can't, don't worry, we're going to help you with those a little later. Okay, so do your best and we'll speak about that soon.